Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Always get really excited when I get these. So in case you guys are new and this is your first video that you're watching or your first Boxycharm unboxing, from me at least, I get the base box, which is $25 a month. You have 5 products. There are tons of different options for you to get, but I just want to do the base, and so it's a good way for me to try out new products and, you know, discover new things. So as soon as you open it up, you get a little pamphlet, tells you the theme of the month, and the back of it tells you all of the products you're getting as well as retail value, and then you get your products right here. So this month's theme is a fantasy, S-E-A, very cute. And the first thing, okay, so I was able to pick one of the products, and I'll actually talk about that one at the end. First product that I got right here and that I see is a Detox Hair Serum. This is a nutrient plant scalp treatment, and this retails you for, where is it? Oh, here it is. Oh, this is $79. Retails you for $79. So this is for the scalp and the hair. I actually don't have any hair and scalp treatments, so I'm kind of excited about this. It'll be something new for me to try out. So let's see what it looks like. So you do get a decent size bottle. I like that it has a little dropper, and we are gonna smell this because we smell things here. Wait, it just smells like oil. Yeah, it smells like there's a spice in with the oil, but it's nothing super strong. So what is this supposed to do? It's supposed to, okay, it's supposed to help your hair stay hydrated. It's supposed to stimulate and soothe dry and itchy scalp, promote healthy growth, and keeps your hair shiny and soft. So I do like the idea of shiny and soft hair. I don't have dry or itchy scalps, but I am all for healthy hair growth and just a healthy scalp in general. So very excited to seeing how well this works. I'm going to be testing that out this week. Also I didn't pick up, I also see that I got this product, which is a mud masking. Sorry if I'm reading it, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not forgetting things. But this is a mud masky vitamin infused eye serum. This is a pretty big container. I didn't think that this was going to be an eye serum. I was honestly thinking when I picked this up from the box that it was going to be just a moisturizer for the face, but this is supposed to be an eye serum. So it says your delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of your face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging such as dark circles and fine lines. I deal with all of that. I have dark circles and I have fine lines. It is not fun, but there's really not much I can do. I've been using eye cream for a while. So this has a vitamin C and it's supposed to help firm the skin. So this is, I'm keeping this out with me because I am absolutely going to use this. Let's smell it and see the consistency. I don't want to waste this. I'm very weird when it comes down to showing products because I don't want to waste it. Wait, what's happening? Oh, the plastic is still on it. That's why nothing was coming out. Sorry. I didn't peel that off properly. I'm going very slow. What's happening? I feel the product. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it is a white consistency. Very, it doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it has a very light scent, and the product is drying down really fast. So I feel like that would be really good underneath the eye area. But I don't know, for some reason I thought it was going to be a little more hydrating because, you know, you want products to really just seep in underneath your eye area. But okay, we're gonna see how well it works. I am all for eye creams. The next product that I see here is from Alliop. It's a pen pal. It's a 4-in-1 makeup pen, and this one is Make Mauve. Oh, okay. So it looks like it's a pen. But you know those old school pens where you have different colors all around? This is exactly what it looks like. This is really cute, really interesting. Oh, okay, so let's Let's do little swatches. This is the first one. Wait, how do I? Oh, okay. So I have to turn. What's happening? And oh, there it is. Okay, it's going. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a really, really pretty gold. So this is a highlighter in the shade Champagne. Okay, and I'm trying to roll up really fast. So this is a lip pencil, and this is in the shade Mauve. That's that color. That's actually really, really pretty too. Okay, and then we have brown pencil, I'm sorry, a brow pencil in Coffee Brown. That's a really, really nice chocolatey, cool tone brown, perfect for what I like. I like darker brows. Okay, this, oh, okay, I thought the black was struggling a little bit. Is it? Oh, it is. Okay, so now this is the eyeliner in black. Let's see. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The black doesn't look as opaque as I'm used to, but it's definitely worth trying. So this I think is really, really cute. A really fun, cute idea. Very, very excited about that. Okay, next thing that I see here is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a liquid eyeliner in black. I feel like you can never have enough eyeliners. I've really, really been into brown eyeliners, but black is just classic. So, oh wait, sorry. This pen retails you for $25. Okay, so this Bella Pierre liquid eyeliner in black. I have an eyeliner that I'm using right now, so I don't want to swatch or anything like that. I want to use up what I have, and then I will definitely try this out next. But this eyeliner retails you for $20. It has a flexible taper tip for perfect thin strokes and bold lines. So I like something with a felt tip because I really like doing that wing in the inner tear duct. So I will see how well this works. Hopefully this dries down matte. I don't like eyeliners that dry down shiny. I'm more of a dry down matte finish girl. So yeah. And the last product is the product that I picked out. I was actually deciding and debating between two of the shades. This is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is their Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. I requested and picked up in my selection, I believe this is the medium tan. Medium tan. I was debating between the light medium because I was looking for powders that were going to brighten underneath my eye area. I love brightening powders, but I figured because I wasn't too sure, I was trying to look on pictures. I was trying to look at pictures online, and I couldn't really find good pictures for me to really make that assumption. So I figured the medium tan is the way to go, at least for my complexion, and then we'll just try it out and see how it goes. So this is a hydrating complexion trio. It adds dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin. Anything I've received and gotten from Alamar Cosmetics, I have loved. Like when I tell you I have loved all of it, I've loved all of it. So I do have very, very high expectations for this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Normally, I'm very picky with yellow brightening powders or setting powders. It pulls a little too yellow on my skin, but this, I don't know, this might work. I usually like more of a pinkier, peachier brightening powder, but this doesn't look too yellow. This looks like it's going to brighten instead of leaving my under eyes looking yellow, and these two colors look perfect. This actually looks like a really, really pretty color that I can contour on my nose, and then this to deepen up and warm up my face. So I'm very, very excited about this. I'll test this out and try it out with you. I already have a lot going on my face right now, so I'm not gonna mix and match and do things, but this retails you for $25, and I'm really excited about this box. I don't think there's anything in this box that I'm not excited about. Yeah, not excited about at all. I'm excited about everything. Yeah. So, okay, that is it for my little Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.